picture है भैया.
When is this?
Hello, photos. So nice. Like finally today has come. I know it's finally.
नाम लूँ क्या? नाम लेफ्ट both of them left. दादा वो दादा मैं भैया this side हो जाएगा तो बताना. हाँ Ready left.
Ma'am, look here. Yeah, ma'am.
राजी लेफ्ट में देखिए ना. यहाँ पे राइट.
नहीं यहाँ पे देखिए. सॉरी
नेहा जी राइट.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am.
नेहा जी यहाँ पे लेफ्ट.
your team, your good creators, what you are expecting?
I think it's going to be very exciting. We're just going to be going live with Miss Malini, and any interview with her is always wonderful. Today, of course, we're talking about podcasters, and I have done 5 seasons of my show. So I'm looking forward to coming back and reliving some of those memories, and maybe talking about a potential podcast in the future.
And how much do you love podcasts, and how do you see the podcast future?
I think that it's the medium of audio is really bright. Like whether it's podcasts, and of course there's no doubt about the fact that music is out of control. Everybody wants music in their ears all the time. So I know we're going live, right? Yeah. So I feel like as an industry, it has a lot to offer. When I started off 5 years ago, it was completely 6 years ago, in fact, it was completely different. And I'm just so glad that I've experienced it, and I may want to do more because it's really exciting.
Ma'am, you have made your debut 20 years back, मतलब 20 साल पहले. अभी क्या opportunities मिल रही है आपको? कितना privilege महसूस करते हैं इस बात को लेकर?
I think there's no privilege. हम लोगों को तो रोज़ उठ के अपना कुआं खुद खोदना पड़ता है, पानी ढूंढना पड़ता है. So there's really no privilege. You just have to work hard. You have to stay disciplined. And I just feel that yes, there's a joy in staying relevant. I haven't seen extreme success or failure in my career, and I feel really blessed, and I have immense gratitude for what I do. And Sachi, like really, if I wasn't doing this, I don't even know what I would be doing with my life.
Time change, man. How is the time change in the entertainment industry? OTT platform आया
It's a sea change. I mean, from the time we started to the way people are right now, it's a sea change. Because whether it's management, whether it's production, whether it's storytelling, whether it's different parallels. एक time जब हम शुरू कर रहे थे तो actors सिर्फ actor होते थे. अब तो हम सब कुछ करते हैं एक साथ. And if you're doing, and I remember saying this once many years ago in an interview, that अगर आप एक टाइम पे इस इंडस्ट्री में 6 चीज़ों से कम कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप मीडिया में हैं या आप एक्टर हैं, then you're not doing enough. So I feel like if you're doing anything between half a dozen to 1 dozen things, then you're barely pulling through.
The last 2 projects when we talk about Thursday, which was a great response on OTT, and also the love story, which was also coming back to OTT. How do you see them this medium?
So, I haven't really dabbled in OTT as much, like full throttle commitment of doing a show. So I'm excited about doing that. As a viewer, I consume OTT, and the few punts that I have taken have worked. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing some interesting
And
work.
also you are inspiring so many moms. You are doing yoga. You are publishing those pictures on social media. Tell us something about the journey of about all the things.
It's a hustle every day. Some days are tough. Some days are tougher. It's never easy, but I wouldn't want it any other
Any
way.
upcoming project lastly?
I have a comedy film that's coming out early next year, and I think it's a big ticket release. It's not on OTT.
Is it you said to Malaika also you have to do stand-up comedy? Is it something like that?
Not at all. Thank you.